Giuliano Terme is the ideal destination for those who want to organize a stay in Tuscany. In fact, it is located about 7 kilometers from Pisa, 15 from Lucca and 70 from Florence. There are many activities you can do in this area, as well as the unique experience to climb the worldwide famous Leaning Tower. You can do some shopping in the elegant historic center of Pisa, play golf in Tirrenia, and enjoy many other activities such as hiking among nature along the romantic trails of the Pisan mountain, or enjoy a luxurious relax at the Bagni di Pisa. Villa belonged to the noble family Roncioni. Today, in the magnificent halls covered in fresco during the 18th century, we can admire the collection of the Cerratelli Foundation, one of the most important collections in the world of theatrical costumes. The villa is located just a few minutes away from San Giuliano Terme and offers the chance to see in a picturesque setting these dresses in ancient shapes used for opera and famous movies.